Integrated Math 1, EOC Practice Test number 20. Harold's car has a fuel tank with 12 gallons of fuel in it. The fuel efficiency of Harold's car is 25 miles per gallon. Write an equation to represent the amount of fuel, F, in Harold's car after driving M miles. Write your answer in the space provided. Alright, so I always like to kind of start on the side just to make sure I get everything where I want it before I put it in the final space here. Alright, so it says Harold's car has a tank with 12 gallons. So we know we're going to start with 12 gallons of gas. And the fuel efficiency of Harold's car is 25 miles per gallon. So we know that we're going to subtract however many miles per gallon. So we're going to subtract, and it says M is the number of miles we're driving. So we're going to subtract the number of miles divided by the miles per gallon. Alright, so you can see, like if we drive 100 miles, just say, let M be 100. If we drive 100 miles divided by 25 miles per gallon, that means we're going to subtract 4 gallons of gas. So 12 minus 4, we'd still have 8 gallons of gas left after driving 100 miles. So it's good to just kind of talk through these and make sense, or make sure that it makes sense when you plug in a number. Alright, so it says also use F for the amount of fuel remaining. So write an equation. So we can write F equals, or you can write F of M equals. F of M is just function notation, and I'm sure it would be fine if you put F equals 12 minus miles divided by 25, or F of M equals 12 minus M over 25. So I ran out of space there. All right, so that would be your answer for number 20.